Donald Trump has become the first US president in history to be convicted of a crime. Charged with falsifying business records to cover up a payment to an adult film star, he was found guilty on all 34 counts by a New York jury. Here's what's at stake and what could happen next. Trump will be sentenced on July 11th, days before the Republican National Convention on July 15th, where he is expected to be selected as the party's presidential nominee for the November 5th election. Trump has denied wrongdoing and is expected to appeal.
This was a rigged, disgraceful trial. The real verdict is going to be November 5th by the people.
Trump will not be jailed ahead of sentencing. He faces a maximum sentence of up to 4 years in prison for falsifying business records. However, it is rare for someone convicted of such crimes and no criminal history to be jailed in New York. He is more likely to receive a fine or be put on probation. He could also be ordered into home confinement or subjected to a curfew, rather than being put behind bars. Trump could also be released on bail while appealing his conviction. The US Constitution only requires that presidents be at least 35 years old and US citizens who have lived in the country for 14 years. So technically, neither a criminal conviction nor a prison sentence would affect Trump's eligibility to become president. However, opinion polls show that the guilty verdict could cost Trump votes in the election. A Reuters Ipsos poll of registered voters in April found that 1 in 4 Republicans said they would not vote for Trump if he was found guilty in a criminal trial. The same poll also found that a majority of voters viewed the New York criminal charges against Trump as serious. Trump's legal troubles do not end with this conviction. He also faces charges in Georgia and Washington over allegedly attempting to reverse his 2020 election loss to President Joe Biden. He also has been charged in Florida over his handling of classified documents after leaving office. It is unclear if any of those cases will go to trial before the November 5th election.